According to the National Electrical Code, an occupant is defined as a person who has legal possession of a property, such as the owner, lessee, or tenant, a person who is present on a property with the permission of the legal occupant, and a person who is performing work on a property with the permission of the legal occupant. During construction or renovation, contract workers are considered occupants of the property. They have the permission of the legal occupant, which is either the owner or the client, to be present on the property and perform their work. After substantial completion of the construction or renovation, the client becomes the occupant unless otherwise agreed upon in the contract. Substantial completion generally occurs when the project is deemed complete enough for the client to move in and occupy the space. There may be exceptions to these general rules. Firstly, if the contract specifies that the contractor remains responsible for the property after substantial completion, then they may continue to be considered the occupant. Secondly, if the client moves into the property before substantial completion, they may be considered the occupant even if the contract specifies otherwise.